Wow, this is week 7 already. We're coming down to the home stretch, less than 2 weeks until the finish line. This week we'll be exploring solving a variety of linear equations, chapters 8.1 through 8.4. Please review the specific week 7 learning outcomes, which I placed on this weekly overview page. You'll be reading the online OpenStax textbook, taking notes, watching the instructional videos, and completing the homework assignments for chapters 8.1 through 8.4. Now, next, towards the bottom of the week's module, you'll be completing the 2 lab assignments, the week 7 quiz, and the discussion on solving applications using equations. Do not forget to attend at least 2 lab support sessions on Zoom each week to assist you with the assignments. Please don't miss an awesome extra credit opportunity at the top of this module. If you complete the final exam forms A and B and get at least 80% on both by October 13th, I'll add 5% to your final exam grade, which could make a difference in your course grade. Do not hesitate to reach out to me for anything, including having a Zoom session together. Have a great week.